Hello guys, so we are going to program some more Python today and we are gonna learn about comments. Okay, now we're gonna do hashtag. Now we're gonna do space and then we're gonna type this is a comment. Okay. Now we're gonna go return and then we're gonna do print and then shift and then we do 9, press 9 and then the double quote. Okay, and then I'm gonna print whatever I want, like hi. Okay, now if you see the file, press it and then we're gonna go save all. Right click with this. Okay, there you go, and then it says hi. Now we are gonna do like this. This is an okay. Okay, we're gonna go space and then hashtag and then like this, and then we're gonna do this is another this is another comment. Okay, now we're gonna go file and now we're gonna go save all. We're gonna we're gonna use our our brother finger and mother finger to press it. Now we're gonna go run and then it says hi still. Okay, now we are gonna go space and then another one. Okay, and then we're gonna say like this and then hashtag and then like this, and then when you do like this, shift like this and then this, and then when you go file and save all, then go here and run 3 and then there's nothing here. And how to fix it is you need to delete this. Now when you go file, save all, right click this and then run, and then it's back to normal. Okay, now we're gonna go read like number 4. Okay, and then we are gonna do shift and then comment 1 and then return and then shift 3 and then comment and then comment and then 2 and then go return and then shift and then we're gonna do this and then comment and then 3. Okay, now we're going to do like this, return and then we're gonna do print and then shift 9 and then the double quote. Okay, now we're gonna write above lines are multi are and then multiple line comments. Okay, now we go file, go save all, and then right click this, and we are gonna press run, and then it says hi. Also the above lines are multiple line comments. That's cool. Remember, hashtag is the comment. Okay, so thank you guys for watching, and hopefully you subscribe and like. Bye bye.